compact size, endless possibilities. Are you looking for a versatile monitor that combines functionality, compactness, and top-tier performance? Introducing the 10.1-inch small monitor, the perfect solution for Raspberry Pi projects, secondary displays, or multimedia setups. With features like built-in speakers, an IPS screen, and a variety of connectivity options, this monitor is as versatile as it is powerful. Click the link in the description to explore and purchase this incredible mini monitor, now available on the HomeTechGear.com website. Why the 10.1-inch small monitor stands out. 1. Compact yet packed with features. The 10.1-inch display might be small in size, but it doesn't compromise on functionality. From sharp image quality to seamless multitasking, this monitor fits a wide array of needs while saving space. 2. High-quality IPS display. Equipped with an IPS panel, this monitor ensures superior color accuracy and wide viewing angles. The 1024x600 resolution delivers clear visuals, making it ideal for gaming, coding, and watching videos. 3. Built-in speakers for convenience. With integrated speakers, you don't need to connect external audio devices for most tasks. Enjoy crystal clear sound that complements the high-quality visuals. 4. Multiple connectivity options. This monitor is compatible with HDMI, VGA, AV, and BNC inputs, making it perfect for a variety of setups, from Raspberry Pi projects to security systems, or even a secondary monitor for laptops. 5. Enhance usability with remote control. Control the monitor effortlessly with the included remote control, which adds convenience for switching inputs or adjusting settings from a distance. Top features of the 10.1-inch small monitor. 1. Fast response time. With a 5 milliseconds response time, this monitor is quick enough to handle gaming, video playback, or fast-paced workflows without any noticeable lag or ghosting. 2. Energy efficient and lightweight. This small monitor is lightweight, portable, and consumes minimal power, making it an excellent choice for mobile workstations or setups where energy efficiency is a priority. 3. Versatile applications. Whether it's a security camera feed, Raspberry Pi programming, gaming, or a portable display for presentations, the 10.1-inch monitor is ready to serve. 4. Plug-and-play setup. No need for complex installations. Simply connect the monitor to your device via HDMI or VGA, and you're good to go. 5. Durable and long-lasting. Built with premium materials, this monitor ensures durability for everyday use, whether in a home, office, or industrial environment. Who is this monitor for? 1. Tech enthusiasts and hobbyists. If you're into Raspberry Pi projects or other DIY tech setups, this monitor is the perfect size and resolution for tinkering and experimentation. 2. Professionals on the go. Need a secondary screen for your laptop or a portable display for client presentations? This lightweight monitor fits right into your backpack. 3. Gamers and streamers. Use it as a secondary monitor for streaming chats, game guides, or multitasking while you focus on the main screen. 4. Home security setup. Its compact size and BNC input make it ideal for monitoring security camera feeds. 5. Students and minimalists. For those who need a basic yet reliable screen for studying, coding, or watching content without cluttering their space. How to get the most out of the 10.1-inch small monitor. 1. Optimize for productivity. Use it as a secondary display to extend your workspace and improve multitasking efficiency. 2. Enhance with accessories. Pair it with a sturdy monitor stand, HDMI cable, or a portable power bank for a fully customized experience. 3. Leverage remote functionality. Switch inputs, adjust volume, or tweak display settings with the remote control without leaving your seat. 4. Create versatile setups. From portable gaming stations to coding monitors or DIY Raspberry Pi projects, let your creativity guide you. 5. Keep it clean and safe. Maintain the screen's longevity by cleaning it with microfiber cloths and avoiding exposure to extreme conditions. Key benefits of the 10.1-inch small monitor: space-saving design, ideal for small desks or portable setups. Wide compatibility, works seamlessly with multiple devices, from PCs to gaming consoles. Vibrant display, enjoy sharp, vivid visuals on the IPS screen. Multifunctionality, use it for work, play, or security, whatever your needs require. What makes it unique? The combination of portability, diverse connectivity, and premium IPS technology at an affordable price makes this monitor a standout. Whether for personal or professional use, it's a perfect blend of convenience and quality. Customer reviews speak for themselves. This monitor is the perfect addition to my Raspberry Pi projects. Compact and efficient. I use it as a secondary screen for work, and it's a game changer for productivity. The built-in speakers and remote make it super convenient. Great value for the price. How to buy the 10.1-inch small monitor? Don't wait to elevate your setup. Click the link in the description to purchase the 10.1-inch small monitor now. This amazing product is available on the HomeTechGear.com website, offering great deals on tech accessories and more. Enhance your tech experience. Thank you for exploring the 10.1-inch small monitor with us. Its compact size, versatile features, and exceptional performance make it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their tech setup. Don't forget to check the link in the description to buy this product and visit the HomeTechGear.com website for more incredible gadgets and accessories. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.